Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
It's working very well. There are antibodies in the blood of the subjects. There is no side effects of these vaccines yet noted till to the all sites in India.
Most important question, doctor, what is the sample size of phase 3?
That's a good question. Normally, phase 3 we are starting in the 5,000 to 6,000, but because of this urgency and to check the batch to batch consistency of this vaccine, because we are less time, so this phase 3 will be conducted on 28,500 subjects all over in India. It's the biggest sample size in the phase 3. And we are initiating more than 35 sites in India for this. Means the subject or the healthy volunteers who is as of now is negative for RT-PCR and negative for antibodies, then only we have to give this vaccine to the subjects. And once we inject the first dose, then the body will react and there will be the antibodies in his blood. And then we will give the booster dose after 20 days for good number of antibodies. And then such type of subjects, once they have close contact in the coronavirus, then that they will not affected by this virus.